In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with Amazon affiliate marketing. So in this video, I'm going to break down how you can get started with the Amazon Associate program so that you can promote products from Amazon and earn a small commission per sale. Let's get into it. Alright, so here I am on my Amazon Associates platform. So what you can do is sign up for an account. I've made a video about it. You can find it up on my channel. I'll also leave a link in the description down below if you don't have an account yet. If you already have an account, what you need to do is simply go to home and then find a product that you would like to promote. Let's say that I want to promote a laptop. I pretty much search for laptop and they will then show me all the laptops on Amazon. So if you already have a product in mind, what I recommend doing is simply typing in that specific name so that you can find it. So for example, let's say you want to go with this one, like a HP laptop. You simply type in HP laptop and then whatever model it is, and you'll then find it on here. So find the product that you would like to promote. Once you found the product, all you need to do is click on get link right there, and that's going to generate your unique custom affiliate link so that when people click on that specific link, Amazon knows that the traffic is coming from you so that they can pretty much send that small commission to your account. Now, once you're done finding the products and generating your links, you need to make sure to promote it so that people will actually click on that link and then buy products on Amazon as well. Now, a lot of people think that affiliate marketing is easy. You just generate a link and you start spamming it online, but that's not going to work. So what I like to do is provide value and then give them that affiliate link. Because if you provide them value, they're more likely to buy using your custom link, or they're just more likely to click on your link in general. So I'm going to show you two ways that you can promote your specific link. One of them is for YouTube, and I'll show you how these guys are making a killing doing this. And then I'm also going to show you the more common way, which is through making articles or blog posts. So let's go to this YouTube channel. It's called 10 Best Ones, and these guys are making like probably close to 7 figures per year with these videos. So what these guys are doing is that they're creating videos about specific products. For example, in this case, let's see, the best OLED TVs in 2021. They're gonna review these products in their video, and they will then leave custom affiliate links to the Amazon product pages in their description. Every single time a viewer clicks on that link and then buys that TV or whatever product it may be, the owner from that channel will then earn a commission. And it's the same for blog posts. So what a lot of article writers and just like website owners are doing is that they're creating blog posts specifically for Amazon affiliate marketing. So on here, they're going to review the best laptops and they'll then leave links, as you can see right there. So $2,200 at Amazon. I just clicked on that link and this is an affiliate link, meaning that if I right now buy that specific product, that person that has made this article will earn a small commission. Now the commission rate is only like 4% or even 2.5%, but on a $2,200 product, you can see that that still adds up to $88. So if you can sell 10 of these a day, you're gonna make $880, right? So you can see this is extremely powerful because once you've got this set up and once this ranks and once you're getting views on your channel, it's pretty much automatic. It's passive income because you don't have to actively work for it, but it's just sitting there waiting for people to read it or view it, click on your links, and then buy it. So that's pretty much how you can make money from Amazon affiliate marketing. So step number 1, get your own custom affiliate link. Step number 2, start providing value by creating review videos or review articles and rank them in YouTube or Google. In my opinion, it's way easier to rank them in YouTube because the SEO part is easier than Google, and there aren't that much competitors compared to people writing articles or blog posts and doing affiliate marketing. So I highly recommend you check out the YouTube channels that are doing this. It's pretty simple. So what they do, they find a specific keyword such as the best video editing laptops in 2021. They then create a video on that and people searching for the best laptops. So for example, if I would search for best video editing laptops 2021, just like that, I'm already interested in buying a laptop. I would click on one of these videos, find out which one is the best for me, click on the link in the description down below because that will send me to the Amazon product just like this, and I can then buy it. So that's how you can make money from Amazon affiliate marketing. If this simple video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.